Surprisingly enough, only a thin layer of lubricant is all it takes to keep all the gears and engines from around the world working. For more than a century, only a few microns have been able to contribute to human progress and keep the world moving. At OLIPES, we know that manufacturing lubricants is a big responsibility. That's why, since 1993, we have dedicated our efforts to innovation and development to offer the most advanced, efficient, environmentally friendly and sustainable products to more than 45 countries. And even if we service engines from almost all over the world, we are also a benchmark in the international petrochemical industry, with more than 2,500 product references across 75 industry sectors. You might not have heard of us, and that's because, well, we don't really like to talk about ourselves. What we really like is to be defined by the quality of our work. For more than 25 years, we have been innovating for the automotive industry, public works, agriculture, and the whole industry in general. We are well aware that our biggest challenge and the most professional thing to do is to go virtually unnoticed, just like a thin layer that makes everything work and keep it moving. OLIPES, the professionals' lubricants.